And some of the things you do, like you have to do as a UX designer, is you have to understand your users' goal. As a UX designer, you should understand your users' needs. Understanding that their needs means identifying what their problem is, right? So, for example, you can't just go to a community and say that I'm designing something for them, because that like is a problem you are encountering without really finding out if that is a general problem that the people are encountering, or that is something that they need to have a solution to. Is that their need? If it's not their need, if you don't find out the user's needs and you design something, it's not going to be useful to them. Do you get it? So as a user designer, these are one of the things that you have to consider. It's imperative you consider your users' needs before you start designing whatever it is you have to design. So after you understood their needs, now you have to define their goals. Their goals basically mean that, okay, so now I see that Amma is unable to, okay, so Amma's goal is to go to school, but because she doesn't have like a faster means of transportation, she's always late, right? So her problem is her being always late. Her goal will be she wants to be early. Her need will be getting a faster means of transportation. The solution will be getting a faster means of transportation for that problem. Do you get it? Okay. So an example of a user problem will be that Amma is always late for school, right? And why is Amma late for school? Because Amma doesn't have like a faster means of transportation. That could be one of the reasons why. But let's focus on this. Amma is always late for school because she doesn't have a faster means of a transportation. So the problem now is that Amma is late for school. And we've identified that her goal will be that she wants to get to school early. The problem of Amma being late for school, that is her problem. One reason for her being late for school could be that she doesn't have a faster mode of transportation. Yes. So her goal could be to get to school early. Do you get it? So that will be your users' goals. And how did you come about this goal? You came about this goal by understanding Amma's problem. Do you get it? And her need will be to get the solution will be to get a faster mode of transportation for Amma. Do you get it? Okay. So moving on, you should also be able to create a useful and accessible solution. This I've explained in the previous slide. So basically something that actually solves your user's problem. You know, you can identify your user's problem but not create a product that solves it in a way that they can use. You can identify the problem and then create a solution that is too advanced for them. Do you know that?